women and men want to see if this actually removes hair. So I thought, what not better way to demonstrate it is with real hair. So for men and women out there who are tired of those fake reviews, well, you are getting a real honest review from somebody that actually has real hair, as you can see here, instead of those videos where they just have like a little stubble. So shout out to the brand for sending us this. Now this, for a honest test, now this is supposed to give like an even straight line. So as you go, that's what this is designed for. So a lot of those others don't have a piece like this from other brands. So you're kind of trying to go even, and a lot of times it doesn't get even. But with this, you just place it here and you just glide up, glide up. So on our hand, you can see we have some hair. I don't know if you guys can see or not, the hair on our hand, but on max, it does. You can see the smoke that it's doing. It's burning the hair. On max setting, it does sting a little bit. I don't know if you can see the smoke coming though. So now, can you see? Can you see where it burned it? So it is working. It's definitely working. It's definitely something like this with a lot of hair. It does work, because if you can look, you can see, but it's a lot of hair. So what you would do is shave first, because it does work. So this actually does work. You would shave first, and then you would use this to get the stubble when it grows back more, because it actually does work. Like it's actually working very well. Let me see if I can change. Like, do you see right in here? See all this? There, you can kind of see from an angle. It definitely works. Let me show you. So you see this hair right up here, all this hair, it definitely trimmed it down. Now can you see? You can see the hair starting to be burnt and removed from my hand, compared to here's my other hand. So let me see. You see all this hair? There you go. Now you can see all the hair on this hand. The same amount of hair was on this hand, but you can see that I'm burning it off slowly. And then you just wipe it off. Yeah. You can see it flashing. Kind of give you an idea. See that big flash? And there's automatic mode, so you can adjust the mode. Definitely different settings. Let's change this mode over. Yeah, this actually does work. So the key takeaway here is you want to shave first, and then you could do like fine hair or stubble. You don't want as thick hair. Even though it did, like it did work, and it is like, we could do it, it just take a lot of time. So like, we could use this thick hair, because I don't know if you see it, but we could see that it is working. It's just would take a long time. So shave first wherever you want to use this. Once you shave, you can wait a couple days or a week until the stubble grows back, then you can use it. But yeah, it actually does work very well.